Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can get the link or the URL to the YouTube video or the YouTube channel you want to get the link to. So you want the link to a YouTube channel or a video that you watch or that you follow, and you want to share the link with your friends and families so that they can watch that videos as well, but you can't figure out how you can do it. It's a very simple process. It's not complicated at all. Just follow the simple steps I do in the video, watch this video till the end, and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to get the link or URL to the video or channel for your YouTube is go to your YouTube application. Once you go to the YouTube application, you want to open the YouTube video or channel that you want to get your link to. Once you get to the channel that you want to get the URL or link to, what you want to do is tap on the menu button. Once you tap on the menu button, from the drop down menu, tap on the share option. Once you tap on the share option, you'll see an option labeled as copy link. Tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you'll successfully get the link to the YouTube channel that you wanted to get your URL for. Now, to get an URL or link for the YouTube video, what you want to do is open that video. Once you open that video, it's quite a similar process. What you want to do now to get the URL for the video is tap on the share button. Here again, an interface like this will open. Here you'll see the option to copy link again. Tap on that link. And I have successfully gathered the URL or link to the video that you wanted to share with your friends and families. So this was the simple step in order to get the URL or link to the channel or the video that you wanted to. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.